everyone, Savanna here, and for today's video I'm going to be baking Easter treats. I'm super excited to be making all of these treats, and please leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite Easter treat is. And if you would like to follow me, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, I hope that you have a happy Easter, and let's hop onto it. To make these whoopie pies, I'm going to be using the Duff Easter Egg Sugar Cookie Mix, but of course you could use any sugar cookie recipe you would like, but this is what I'm going to be using. So I have followed the instructions on my box about how to make the dough. So I divided my dough into 4 equal pieces. Now I'm going to take the food coloring that came in my packet, and I'm going to make 4 colors. So now I have dyed all my dough. Now I'm going to roll it out. So I'm going to put my purple on top of my green. And my yellow on top of my pink. And for my whoopie pies, I'm just going to cut it like that, and they sure turn out really nice. And now I'm going to bake my cookies for 7 to 9 minutes. So for my whoopie pies, I'm going to take the cookies that I made before, and then here I have some pink and blue frosting that I'm going to use. And so taking my frosting, I'm just going to create a circle of frosting to go on the bottom of the cookie for the whoopie pie. Then I'm going to take my other cookie and place it down like that. And then I'm just going to repeat these steps to make my whoopie pies. There's 1 cookie left, so I'm just going to put some frosting on and eat it. Yum. To melt my chocolate, I have a double boiler here, and that's just a pan with water, and then on top I just have this bowl. So first I'm just going to take my heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to use a ½ cup of this, and then after that I'm going to put in 1 cup of chocolate chips. And now I'm going to put in 1 cup of chocolate chips. So I have my pan set on medium heat, and then you just want to stir every few minutes or so. So for these chocolate covered peeps, I have my peeps here, and then for these pink peeps, I'm going to put chocolate by the ears. So I'm just going to dip it down like this. And then put it on a plate for it to dry. And then for these types of peeps, I'm just going to dip the bottoms here. So I'm just going to put it in like this. And there you go. I'm just going to repeat these steps. For this next creation, I'm going to dip some chocolate on a graham cracker, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some jelly beans on top of it. Then I have 2 jelly beans here. I'm just going to stick it on top of the chocolate. I'm just going to do the same thing with this one. And there you go. This is a treat for the chef. Yum. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave a like down below, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel as well. And I would love to know what your favorite Easter treat is, so please leave a comment down below telling me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and happy Easter. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!